namukela kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course. Namhleta Carola, of course. Dallas. Loyi nga ta King Linka, of course. Gagash and also his wife. And then from there, Carola, of course. Ben Mangan, the president. And then Amakum, the update, of course. Gagash on a different topic, of course. So previously, of course, I'm going to enter a video. Now, of course, in overall, Dallas are classing Gagash and his wife. If video, I'm going to say one. However, from there, of course, he created another live video. Follow, of course, and his fans, of course, like in support of what's happening, man. So I pull it. Yeah, and overall, I fast forward, I figure, of course, I'm shooting the previous video. Gaga's wife, I go lawyer on chum, Gagashi take it wrong, or like a lawyer and chum and stuff like that. Go like a Facebook, we soon like alarm if I come beside.
That part,
Patialia.
I woman cash and for that, I am really sorry. Ningaban but
yeah, of course, I disagree with that one. If the previous video, I say, a link on top comment. Of course, like on a debate, guys, gonna debate.
But that part, I don't know, Kuri, any shinga trigaraku yazea uma in I was talking to Session Lord. She was professional about this whole thing.
Yeah, so Charlotte, of course, is referring to Gagash's wife. No, of course, she's a lawyer or an attorney. Yeah.
Confronted me nicely.
She confronted
she's a good person, indeed. And a lot of things listening as blah blah blah. But about that party yaku tenisha brand ya war, na profession ya war as a lawyer or as an attorney. I'm right.
Okay.
I'm a logon samansi and be proud this so man this is shakumunu a Facebook. That was purely out of it. That was purely out of line, like.
As a vet, I approach me to the Masungri. In terms of that aspect, now your aspect there, I can't know. Yeah, advice ya tola ko Gaga's wife Africa advice Gagash no the social taluma ga tlhela ko msoko ko ba lawyer ka Facebook a xikomisa na shoka even on the previous video and stuff like that. Overall le shouldn't this show kwala even then same ba controversies manje say continue manje because vanhu xikomina ka va swi va khomanga kahle loko se Africa a mention marito lamo about Gagash.
If as black people supportana like leswi Gagash a swi endlisa ku show. Man, this is Pella is a big brand and is a big inspiration for this whole industry.
Okay.
He doesn't want to eat alone, the guy. First of all, he does not want to eat alone. Irrespective of who and stuff like that. But believe you me, the guy angala kuja arwesh. You understand? Because if alaba kuja arwesh, he would just aramba ba mahu aramba
I'm going to know. Okay, guys. On the previous video, if you come so Gagash, if I got tumbela, magama hleketa hinkwenu we know it. So guys, njeleni la if himpela Gagash anga pushangi like ava vocal, of course, about 17. Loko a nga yi push swa on the ground tani swi vona ku under the live tani swi swingwenya kha yi kombisa swona ku Gagash and stuff like that if fika ava quiet like if fika ava private. So a ta hi fike njhani guys njeleni a ta hi fike njhani ka swiyimi show the artist ta ka Gaza ti ze ti fika clubini hi ku tlho ku tala a ta fika njhani kona if a nga promoting that way ku hi yona swa yivula swona ku fika va private like if fika a nga bihuwa like a ta swi ndlise kwini Gagash khala kha yi pusha ndhawu leyi a swi vona ku 17 17 andla ti-live videos a posta tela like a swi ta endlisa ku yini so ma swo ku ngwenya se yi fika yi ti-contradicta hi yoxe se yi lo kombiseni ku a nga la ku dya ri yexe and stuff like that so mara a hi ta hi fikele njhani 17 hi yo question yaleyo if Gagash guys a nga swi kotangi va a pusha 17 like ku tala a va ta va n'wi hlongorile so even if a vitana va Mahu still a fika va a kha pusha a fika va kha pusha i promoter Gagash he's an influence each and every area I mean like event area kuna munhu a va kha pusha if you can check carefully mta mi kha mi swona kuna vanhu vo hlaya na vo gija lifestyle yale ni swi voni loko kha ni cheka la ku kuna munhu wo karhi lowu a va a kha pusha that area a ni kha ni swi vona ku kuna mesi wo karhi lowu na n'wi voni tshama ri ku postetele ka that area and stuff like that so hi leswi va kha swi ndlisa swona sweswo vona mhaka leyi ende swi ni hlamariseni ku na yona ni kume ku na yona ngwenya i businessman yi ranaku a similar type of a business ni ku mina
Aramba, those big artists are 17, but you always find him supporter these other brands and stuff like that. Man, this is like
okay.
Like uendle Gaza yivana matimba.
Exactly my point. Ata endla yivana matimba njhani a kha a tumberini sweswi ngwenya yi vulaka swona a ta swi endlisa ku yini how because phela Gagash ku rhandziwa yena ngwenya leswi a ni kha ni kombisa swi ku yi tsandzeka ku va yi swi twisisa ku rhandziwa yena people love Gagash is a brand loko a endla swilo like va ya because of Gagash like a vuya njhenjhe va ya because of him like i na influence ya yena yo karhi hayi timhaka ta kona a reds
and look at the investment yele Holobye or yele Greater Gagashi Resort. That one, it's powerful. I know because like a business myself. I know kore we employ van bangani.
As you can hear, so I think we are saying, look, see, taka le video se swilo swi jika ku jika se I re in support of Gagash ni ngi se hinkwayo hi attack but then overall swa kha yi focus ngopfu ka swona kha yi kombisa ku hayi yi kombela ku ri of course ka nsati wa Gagash of course yi n'wi thanixele her brand mtani swi tiva of course that she's a lawyer koko loko ni kha ni cheka hi last post loko ni kha ni hlaya swi tikombeni na ku va tivana because she indicated ku ri vanghana and stuff like that mi nga mi swi voneni kwalaya and stuff like that leswi of course a fika ku kombisa swona ina nsati wa Gagash in overall ma yi vona mhaka leyiwa so when further on they continued and indicated that kuna some certain businesses leti require ku social media and then kuna tin'wana ti-business to ka ti nga require social media mara yi fika yi kombisa ku ti-business to fuyela na to leti ni twa ku hi vo Gagash na vokokwani Chauke ti require social media ni vheta loko mina I wish vanhu lava hinkwavo va kha va supporta too much ka the previous video va ta na le ka leyi va ta yingisela because mina mhaka loko ni languta Gagash ni languta ni yime xikarhi mina I indicated ka previous video ni ku a swi twa loko Gagash fika tumbela a va hinkwavo va ta commenta loko Master Chiwi a sorry yingisela mi twa this point ku i te yini.
On the other hand kuna vo Gagash munhu un'wana na un'wana loko a ya joni I wisha ku tikuma a yini 17 a teka picture a ri 17
why
you understand
why
that's the power of brand like marketing through social media.
That's the power of what marketing through what social media ni kumbe hi tlhe hi vuyisa kambe laha na swi twa kahle mi ri yini mkhulu.
That's the power of brand like marketing through social media.
Yeah.
That's the power of marketing through social media.
A hi tsemeni kwala mhaka yi twa rini swi komba na ku sengwe already yi le ku ti-contradicteni hi ku vhele yi ndle ti-errors to tala swinene ka his previous analysis because loko analyze swilo i kuma ku i ta hi an attack nge pfuki ndle swona never you will never do a proper analysis if i ta hi an attack na mhaka leyi so a hi endzeni hi ta hi endzeni overall leswin'wana hayi a swi nga ha relate ngopfu yeah and then of course hi ya ka Benny Mayengani the president and his house a ku na ti-updates se yi chela seleni hi ngo vekela a video vhele swo hlupha ngopfu.
Va ta vona quality.
Endlani phela.
Endla board.
Va vona mavilele, tirha ntirho wa n'wina.
Swi le ku endleni ka president. Tirha ntirho kwala.
Mi tirha ntirho na kokwani Matshilela yale. Tirha ntirho, n'wina tirha ntirho wa n'wina. Sina mali na ku ta vona TV.
Nga vula ku mhaka ka swinene a yi push mirhangaphandle a yi push a ku na sofa yi tirheni a yi heti hi ta pfula yindlu mani hina se hi yimile ku pfula yindlu vhele a yi push even then hi tlhe hi vuya ka Gagash hayi Greater Gagash municipality se swi tikomba hey yi teka mhaka ya security very seriously le 17 a yi nga ri ku chanseni as you can see road send by the civilians n'wananga ni khensa sponsorship as you can see loko fika hi pfula laha swona ku hey ku na n'wanuna wo karhi a nga veka na xibamu laha a nga veka na xibamu as you can see kwalani se hey anti leswi nga cherisiwa swona swi na vugangster nyana so the way swi nga cherisiwa swona na xileka lexi cheriwaka endzeni ka xona stuff like that so a redzi but loko ku ri na security swi kahle hopefully ngwena yona leyi nge yi repeat swimbalo because va nga yi notice simbuluko swi ku hi yona ku yaliya loko a yi mbale so yi nga mi repeat swimbalo leswi mara hayi Gagasha mina na support ku i va na security swi vurini ka even initial video a ni swi vurini a swi kahle loko yi na security be safe and then of course hi tlhe hi vuya ka slogan xa Gagash ku ve na comment yo karhi la ka channel la of course a yi fike yi ni kombisa ku slogan xo where memories meets luxury it's not correct so as it turns out slogan xa Gagash la xi incorrect ni kha ni tirhisa na of course ChatGPT yi fike yi kombisa ku the verb meet should agree with the plural subject ya memories as you can see ko na memories of course yi va yi ri ka plural a ya ha ri ka singular form so meet yi fike yi va yi ri meet not meets ma vona mhaka leyo leswi of course yi kombisa ku swona kwalano so a swi ta va correct only if a memory of course a yi ri in a singular form ndawa yi va yi ri memory ku nga ri memories a swi ta va correct loko yi ku where memory meets luxury ma vona mhaka leyo so Gagasha hopefully ta va yi kha yi correct mhaka leyo ku it's either you choose where memory meets luxury or you choose where memories meet luxury ku ri s you choose yi ta choose ka switatimende swimbirhi is either you choose where memories meet luxury or if lalia meets no problem you can take this one where memory meets luxury hi leswo loko ri amukeza msosika banda kumela mi tlika subscribe
Na mkhukhulu wawe wa sunroof wa to ha. U ta tshama kha u tlem mitini we.
Ku ra chele vinigala.